Hello guys, this is Bidut Shah and you are watching Third Eye. So today's topic I will share you how to make a text audible in just a few lines of code. So get started. First we have to import a module called pyttsx3. Now we have to init an object from this module. Make a reference and I am giving the name of the reference is engine. So now you just only write that engine dot say whatever you want to get the audio of your text version. Here I am just writing hello world. And finally we have to call this function run and wait. So everything is ready. To execute this we just have to pass the syntax is Python
Hello world.
wow. So it's very easy. Within a few lines, only 4 lines of code can make your text into a audio. If you want to change the language version of male to female, then only you just write engine dot get property. Here you have to pass voices. This will give you a reference of all the voices. Now you have to set the property of engine like engine dot set property. Here you have to first pass voice, then the ID. Here the ID is 1 for female. Now see what happens. Here I have given a wrong error, wrong reference. Now it's okay. So get started.
Hello world.
Wow, it's very easy. Here you can change anything, whatever you want. I am changing this text and see, it can also speak this text.
Please subscribe the channel and press the bell button to get updated. Thank you.
So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel and get updated. Bye.